Best Hair. Thank you all so much for joining me today. In today's video, I want to introduce you all to the Lange Duo Airflow Styler. This is a flat iron, curling iron, and an airflow system to cool the hair while it's curling or after it's curled or after it's straightened. So I thought this might be a great tool to use when we're doing our heat-friendly synthetic wigs, because for those of you wig wearers that know, the style gets set in our wigs after it's cooled from the heat styling. So if I can do it all in one fell swoop without having to pin the curls and waiting overnight, well, that's really exciting to me. I like that. I am not a patient person. So this is what it looks like. And it has different settings here for the temperatures. You can see it's going through them right now. So we can do 280 or 320. Well, we know that our heat safe VersaFibers HG fibers can go up to 350 degrees. All right, so I'm gonna just press and hold, and it's stopping at 280, and then I'll also press the fan. Now when it's ready, that fan should kick on. And this is where it blows out of, and this is where we curl on those hot plates in there. All right, so this is VersaFiber Nola. This one is actually fairly new. I haven't really worn this much, and I don't know that I want to alter this one just in case I don't do it right. So I also have a VersaFiber Nola in Sun-Kissed Rooted, and this one is older, and this one has been heat treated already just because the ends are getting kind of frayed. So I'm going to switch wigs, and then we are going to try this styler on this one. All right, so you can probably hear that fan running, so it's ready. And I think what I'm going to do is I just want to do kind of smaller sections, maybe like this. And I think I want to keep the ends, I think I want just a little curl and then keep the ends straight. Just right at the very bottom, so it looks a little bit more modern, a little bit more beachy. I don't want a barrel curl, so I think you can curl in different ways, and I think you can curl it up and pull it down, or you can start down and keep going down, and I think then you get a different type of a curl. So that is what I am going to try. So I think I'll start partially down, about here maybe. So I just kind of want the ends, and I'm going to go this way. Sorry, and it's getting caught on my cabinet. Put the hair in, turn it back away from my face, and then I'm just going to go down. And then as it's doing that, it's cooling it around that. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see it? Okay, but that one I kind of curled the end, and I didn't know if I wanted the end curled. I can probably go back and change that. So let's try again. Let's go twist, and then just go down. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm liking that. And certainly, if you feel like you didn't do it right, we can always go back, right? And then just pull the wand down as you're curling the hair. Like, not the hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, the curls appear to be set. I just want to kind of comb and see. Ooh. All right, let's keep going. See what we can do. See if this is something that I can recommend for wigs. All right, twist it once and then just pull it through. So I'm just gonna pull these ones out of the way. So I feel like maybe I should have tried a heat protectant spray. So I'm going to go ahead and use this wig conditioner and try that. Alright, now let's take a little section. I think it works better when I do that. Alright, so let's just take a peek at what we have here. So this is the straight side. As you can see, I haven't done anything on this side. And this is kind of the look that I was going for, where I want it slightly curled, but then kind of straight on the ends. So it just kind of has that more modern, really just ever so slight wave. But it definitely is working. And again, this is an older wig, and these fibers are a little bit more worn, but I think it's looking good. I like it. I like it. I probably will take it off and put it on a wig head. I have a wig head back here, and I'll probably take it off and put it on the wig head just to finish up, because I can't really get to the back. But I like this look, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then we'll come back and we'll see the finished product. Alright, so I'm all done with the curls. You'll have to let me know what you think. I think this might be a game changer. If you like to curl your heat-friendly synthetic fiber wigs, this Lange Duo Airflow Styler works really good because the curls are set. So again, this is what the box looks like. I did put this in my Amazon store, so if you expand the description box below, you can go to my styling products section on my Amazon store. And this is in there, and it's kind of a game changer. It really is. I was really struggling to curl my heat-friendly synthetics, and this one was getting older, and I was kind of tired of having it straight. So it's kind of a fun option to be able to add some curls. And I really think it looks beautiful. So I'm going to turn around so that we can see from all sides so that you can tell me your honest opinion. yeah, just kind of a nice loose wave. You can really see that. It looks really pretty. And we still have good movement. I did comb through these with a wide tooth comb after I curled it. Just a little different look. So if you've been like me and struggling to figure out how to heat style your heat-friendly synthetic fiber wigs, I do think this is a great option. So you might want to check it out for yourself. You can also check out used sites like eBay or Poshmark and see if you can find one used if you don't want to purchase a new one, if you just want to try it for yourself. Also, I increased the heat to 320 when I was curling. So I still need to work on my technique a little bit because I wasn't able to get this side exactly like this side, but I still think it looks good, and I don't think anybody else is really going to know, just me. Alright, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye!